What's going on, guys? Beetleman here, and today we're going to Volkswagen out in Lee Summit to get my Beetle and oil change, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Well, I decided to get a driving video, so we'll see that. Yeah, so it's clearly 7:39 in the morning, and the only time that they have it is 8 o'clock. So we're going to the 8 o'clock one, because I don't like waiting, and I'm at Porky's, right? The pig shop. My dad's with me. But, we gotta turn by this Porky pig shop. Now we're proceeding. God, this SUV will not get off my ass. This SUV. I hope you guys are having a great day today, because I'm obviously not. I'm up really early. I like being up early, but I've been sleeping in till 10. Wasting half of my morning. But it gets annoying at first. Yeah, go ahead, go around. Go around, don't care. Oh, fuck you. You know what, bitch? Alright, bitch. Look at that, guys. Alright, so I'll show you guys when I get closer to Volkswagen. I'll get a video of me pulling in there and all that. Alright, peace. This is where I took my test with my driver's license. There's Subaru. Japanese, Chinese people. Yep, Subaru. But, oh, there, oh god. And now we are now pulling. Jesus. Philanthropy work. Alright, shut up.
Volkswagen. Buffett moving.
My god. That's RTN. That's RTN. RTN.
So the right car is only right on the other side by the door. Right there. You want to pull in the door?
Never fucking been
You
here.
want to pull in the door?
Never been here. This is so
Door
beautiful.
right here, probably. You're going to have to back it up. Oh.
Guys, look.
You're going straight.
Guys, a nose. Do we go in?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god.
Both of them too. Both sliding.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video there. Alright guys, so we're here at the Beetle. There's a new Arteon. Alright. This is nice. This is the 2019 VW Arteon. It's really nice. Look at that. This would be my next car out of the Beetle dynasty. Alright. This is nice. This ain't so bad, like it's really nice. Yeah, it's all electric too. Look at that. There's the sun, guys. And if you can see over there, that's the Beetle, the black one. Right there. Yeah. So yeah, I just had to pause the video. My hair is a mess. It's okay though. So yeah, this is the look. It's nice. It says a time right there too. Look. That is sweet. And then we got the keys up here. So obviously, oh crap, dropped my phone. Obviously you click this button and it starts, so. Alright. Alright guys, well, I'll let you guys know on the update. Right now so far, they're getting my car back there. And getting it looked at and all that. And I'll let you guys know on the update soon. I just want to show you guys the SUV real quick. Oh, look at that Beetle. That one, Jettas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.